Coming up in today's video, a deep clean and declutter for spring. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and today's video, which I'm really excited about because I am starting my spring cleaning. I'm starting off in the kitchen, which is also another exciting thing because it means that very soon we are going to be getting our kitchen makeover, which I just can't wait for. So this little decluttering and deep cleaning process is one step closer to that, because that means soon we're going to be emptying out all the cupboards and we are going to be packing up, ready to move into the utility, which will be our mini kitchen, and having the new one put in. So today's to-do is just to get these cupboards as minimal as possible and give them a good deep clean, because I don't remember the last time I did that, and I really just want to like spring clean the whole house. I am on this path to just simplify my life and just having more time, and I just want things to be organised. And something else that I've done this week to help with that is meal planning. So this week's video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh. And they have took the weight off my shoulders this week because I haven't had to think of any ideas what to have. I haven't had to go out and get the food for it. It is all been delivered to my door. I've just gone on their website, I've chosen what I wanted, and it is all so affordable as well, which I just absolutely love, because I've been getting really stressed with the prices of stuff going up and just food shopping in general. I feel like it's really took the pressure off all of that, and now I can just enjoy my dinners every evening instead of worrying about what the next one's gonna be. This week we have chosen some really yummy meals. So we have the stir-fried hoisin chicken noodles. We also have the sirloin steak with peppercorn sauce, and we have the crispy Chinese style duck tacos. All of these come with the correct measured ingredients, so there's absolutely no waste. The recipe card on the back shows you how to prepare the meals, so it is really convenient. Today is actually a Sunday, so we're going to be having the sirloin steak with peppercorn sauce, because after I've like decluttered all of this, I just feel like I want to have a nice little treat to end the weekend with. So I'm really looking forward to that. It looks so yummy. And yeah, I also have a discount code for you, so I will leave that down in the description box below, and there's also a QR code that you can scan and it will take you directly to their website. The code is CJO60, and that will give you 60% off your first box and then 25% off your next 8 boxes, which is just such an amazing discount, and it is valid until the end of the month. So if you're watching this video a little bit later, you'll still be able to get the discount. Please do let me know if you try it and what meals are your favourite, because I'll need to order some more meals next time. And I also love that you can cancel this subscription at any time if you're going away on holiday, or if you're having a new kitchen like I might be, because I actually don't know what we're going to be able to cook, because I don't know how long we're not going to have a cooker or a hob for, but I'll get to that when I come to it. But yeah, I'm feeling motivated, so let's get on to the clean. So the first cupboard I'm going to start with is my cleaning cupboard. I actually don't have too much to do in here. It is pretty organised, so all I need to do is remove everything, give it a wipe down, and then pop it all back, and the things that I don't want, get rid of. just going to wipe out all of these containers. I had a little leak under my sink, so luckily it collected the water in here. So I'm just going to wipe that down, and I'm going to do all of the other boxes too. I actually made these labels on my Cricut machine before, and I love them because it's really helped me keep organised under the sink. So I'm going to wipe them all out, pop everything back that needs to go in there, and then that will be that cupboard done. I also have these plastic clear containers in here. I got these from B&M. They are great because they're stackable, and I also have them in my fridge. I feel like you can use these so many places. Next, I'm going to do this little corner cupboard. This is a really annoying little cupboard that can't really hold anything, so junk just gets thrown into it. It is good for like kitchen roll and chopping boards, but that is about it. So I'm just going to go through my chopping boards as well, because I got some stained ones, get rid of those, and then wipe over the cupboard. This cupboard is actually one of my favourite cupboards in the kitchen because it holds all of my party and seasonal wear. I'm going to take everything out because I actually have some Christmas stuff in here, and I've got quite a lot of jars that I'm actually not using. I went through a stage of like buying storage, and then I found out it didn't work where I wanted it to, so I had loads left over. So I'm going to just take everything out, give it a good spray down, and then I'm going to go through everything and just declutter what I don't want and put away like my seasonal bits that I do want to keep but I don't need them out yet, because this cupboard will be packed away very soon, ready for the new kitchen. Done. I think I've done quite a good job in there. It looks a lot less cluttered. I'm going to move on to this drawer next because I think someone has just literally thrown everything back in it, because this is normally quite organised. So again, taking everything out, giving it a good wipe down, and just putting back what we actually use and want to keep. Cupboard. All of this stuff in this cupboard will eventually go into my new cupboard. I've got a tall pantry cupboard which is going to go next to my fridge, so this cupboard will actually be empty in the new kitchen. So I'm just going to give it a wipe down. I'm going to go through these boxes, and anything that I don't want, again, I'll just get rid of and then pop the boxes back because that is pretty organised. I'm going to do the same with this drawer because I cannot wait. When I get my new kitchen, I'll be getting a new dinner set. I feel like it is well overdue, so none of this needs to be decluttered or organised because it is pretty minimal anyway. I am just going to get rid of those bibs because Manny doesn't use them anymore. I did have to laugh here because you can see I banged my head because I was filming. I was like, just carry on. But it actually did hurt, and I love how I just hold and rub my head. It really did make me laugh. And then again, this cupboard, everything will go into our new pantry cupboard. I may have my new bin in here. What do you think? Is that going to work next to the oven? Or would it be better next to a sink? Because I don't think I have space next to my sink, and this is my only spare cupboard, but I don't know if that's hygienic, but then at the same time it could be handy because the oven's there and you prepare food. I don't know. Let me know what you think. This cupboard is where I keep all the bacon trays, so there are a lot of black marks on the white surface in here, so I'm just taking some pink stuff and giving that a good scrub to get rid of any of those marks, and then I will pop everything back. I've actually decided to keep my bacon trays in the top oven so that I can put my microwave in the bottom of here, because I just need the worktop space. When you're making 5 meals, like, we just don't have enough room, and instead of getting this in and out all the time, my new oven has an integrated microwave, which I'm so excited about. Now that all of the cupboards are decluttered, I am just going to deep clean this sink. I'm using some Cif and my Scrub Daddy Dish Daddy. I absolutely love this. I think it's such a good tool, and it's really good for giving the sink a deep clean. Also just going to wipe over all of the worktops. I'm actually using this Morrison's anti-bac spray, which I think is a dupe for the Method one. I'm going to empty the dirty water out of the sink, and I'm just going to give it a rinse and then run some hot water, because I'm going to pop a cap full of Zoflora in here and pop my sponge in to soak. I love this scent, it definitely makes it feel like spring. And then I'm going to go in with my Hoover, because where I was emptying the cupboards, I was getting all the dust and the crumbs on the floor. So I just want to Hoover all of that up. And then I'm going to go in with my new mop and just give it the once over, so it is all nice and clean. I hope you have enjoyed this spring clean with me, and don't forget to use my discount code for HelloFresh. I will leave everything in the description box down below, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!